I will be fierce. Written by Birdsong. Illustrated by Nidhi Chanani. I will be fierce. Today I will be fierce. I will answer the call to adventure. I will put on my armor. I will fill my treasure chest. I will go forth to explore new worlds. Today I will be fierce. I will take on the monsters that stand in my way. I will drive back the dragons. I will dare to walk with the giants. I will charge the many-headed serpent. Today I will be fierce. I will chart my own course. I will climb the mountain of knowledge. I will trick the guardian of wisdom into revealing her secrets. I will solve the mysteries of the unknown. Today I will be fierce. I will break away from the ordinary. I will stand up for my beliefs. I will build new bridges. I will search for light in the darkness. Today I will be fierce. I will claim my victory. I will conquer my fears. I will make my voice heard. I will be the hero of my story. Today I will be fierce. I will lead the way home. And then I will rest. For tomorrow I will be fierce again. Today I will be fierce. I will take on the monsters that stand in my way. I will search for light in the darkness. I will be the hero of my story. The end.